Good evening. My name is Pranavitara. Today's date is 9th March 2022, and my today's topic is Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. The Dr. APJ life journey of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. This is first day. Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, popularly known as the missile man of India, was born on 15th October 1931 in Rameshwaram, Tamil Nadu. Dr. Kalam's life has a great motivation for several people, especially for younger students. You may be reputed to deliver speech on APJ Abdul Kalam at various occasions. We have shared some sample speeches on APJ Abdul Kalam, which will help you in your attempt. Also tried on the people's president. Dr. Kalam was the president of India and served the nation for one term from 2002 to 2007. He studied physics and aerospace engineering, and later journey DRDO. DRDO means that the Defense Research and Development Organization, and also ISRO. ISRO is the Indian Space Research Organization. As professor. The short and long speech on APJ Abdul Kalam shared here are appropriate for every occasions. The language is simple and content is comprehensive. That decision the life and journey of APJ Kalam in a coherence manner. Dr. APJ Kalam has been a great motivation for me, and his entire life journey has played a very significant role in transforming my life in a positive way. We all know that Dr. Kalam was an Indian scientist and a brilliant politician who saved India as the president from the 2002 to 2007. His full name as Abul Pakir Janabuddin Abdul Kalam, born on October 15, 1931 into a Muslim family. Dr. Kalam was a sharp student and an obedient child who helped family earning in livelihood. He born in Dharamkoni, located on the south coast of India. As a child, Dr. Kalam developed a great fascination with their fascination with or travel by watching birds travel by watching birds. This hobby of Kalam later developed a mission to join aeronautics. The median got stronger after saw the ends. A newspaper shot a British fighter rather. Thank you.